Hello guys, so this is the DJI Ronin RSC2. Ah, DJI the Ronin RSC2. Where's RC2? Yun. So, yan, in 2023, November. So, before end of this 2023, let's try to use again this DJI Ronin RS3 on our camera, which Sony CVE1. Yan. So, it's a compact camera for this DJI RSC2. And again, we're using this small rig counterweight. And it's very useful um, accessories for small rig because our um, Sony CVE1 is very light for that. And yeah, we'll use also this from small rig. I forgot this accessories so we can hang our um, Fuji, sorry, Insta360 X3. So, yeah. Again, let's do quick uh again test with this DJI RSC2 in 2023. Yeah. So, yan guys, we are using now the DJI RSC2 on the our camera, which is Sony CVE1 or CV1, sorry. Yeah. So, let's take some video, and I have in the um, side or accessories extra, we put the Insta360 X3. Uh, and so this is the DJI RSC2 with the Sony CV1. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you later the and we have BTS because we're using the uh, Insta360 X3. Yeah. So, okay, let's do a normal walk, not walk with the stabilizer, right? So, again, this is the DJI RSC2 in 2023. Even though it's already 2 years, I think, or even there is already DJI RS3 Mini, but still, this RSC2 still good to buy in 2023. Yeah, see, still smooth, guys, and still very useful. With this compact camera, just or smartphone, then just buy or purchase on counterweight from small rig, then you're good to go. You can use this DJI RSC2 with the see, so yan guys. I think that's it for today. Quick review, test, and about DJI RSC2 and in 2023. So I think that's it for today, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of all new DJI product that we have here in AB World, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So check our RSC2 and also Insta360. Ayan, X3 on any Insta360 and DJI product. Again, www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.